Assalamualaikum dear students. In today's lecture we are going to learn about articles. You know what are articles? A, N and the are known as articles. A and N are indefinite articles, means they are not previously defined. They are unspecified. Use them to talk about one thing in general. The is a definite article, means it is previously defined or specified. Use the to talk about something in particular that may be singular or plural and countable or uncountable. A, N and the are also adjectives. They come before words that name a noun or another adjective. We use a for the singular noun which start with a consonant letter. हम a सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ यूज़ करते हैं जो कि कंसोनेंट से शुरू होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ hen, अ ट्री, अ पेन and a boy. Now next we use n for those singular noun which start with a vowel letter, that is a, e, I, o and u. एन हम ऐसे सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ यूज़ करेंगे जो कि वोवेल से स्टार्ट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एन एग, एन एप्पल, एन ऑक्टोपस, एन अम्ब्रेला. लेट अस सी सम सेंटेंसेस. I have a nose that smells a rose. Here we use a for the nose and a for a rose because both nouns are singular and both are started from the consonant letter. Next example. I see an alligator snapping at an otter. See, both the words alligator and otter are started from a vowel letter, so we use n for them. Use n before words that start with a vowel sound. We also use n for those words which started from the vowel sound in which first letter is silent. See the example. The train will arrive in an hour from now. Here we use n because h is silent here and r is coming from the vowel letter o. Next, he is an honest man. Here also the vowel sound of o is coming from the word honest, so we use n for it. Next, use of the. The is used with plural names of people, groups and places. The is also used with the proper names of books, oceans, seas, rivers, canals, bridges and mountain ranges. We can't use the with the proper name of person, country, state, lake and mountain. For example, the children are playing with a ball. Children are a common noun. So we use the for it. And it is in plural form. See the next example. Mount Everest is in the Himalayas. Himalayas are the mountain ranges. So we use the for it. Vembanad Lake is in Kerala. Vembanad is a proper noun for the lake and Kerala is the proper name for the state. So we can't use the here. Now see one exercise. In this exercise, you have to complete the conversation using a, an or the. See first sentence. There is dash big river flowing near my house. What we will write here? A, because a is a unspecified or indefinite article. Next one, what is dash name of dash river? Here we use the in both the blank because the is a definite article. So we use the for the river here because we already specified river in the previous sentence. Next, it is the dash. It is dash Narmada river. Narmada is a proper name for the river, so we use the here. In Mumbai, we go to dash Arabian Sea to see dash sunset. Arabian is the proper name for the sea. So we use the here and for the sunset also we use the. Shall we go there now? We will go there dash hour and dash half later. We use N for the hour and A for half. Now note down today's homework. In today's homework, you have to make 2 sentences of each article, a, an and the.